my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making pumpkin pie. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
To start, I'm going to make my crust. To do that, I'm going to combine my melted butter with my ginger snap cookie crumbs. I used the cookies that I made in my ginger snap cookie video and put them in a food processor for the crust. I'm going to mix them until my ingredients are fully mixed together. You'll be able to tell that they're mixed together because they'll start to stick together. Next, I'm going to put my crust into my pie plate. After I pour all the crumbs onto the plate, I'm going to press them down using the back of my spoon. Press the crumbs so that they come all the way up the sides of the pan. They will move around as you press onto them, but be patient and make sure you have no empty spaces through the bottom of the plate because your filling will seep through and can make the crust soggy if it gets underneath. This will help ensure the filling will be contained while in liquid form. Now I'm going to put my crust into the oven. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My crust took 10 minutes to bake. We just want it to be firmed up and not crumbly. Now I'm going to start on my filling. To do that, I'm going to put my eggs into a large mixing bowl. I'm going to scramble them using a wire whisk to help them combine better with the ingredients I'm going to add later on. Next, I'm going to add in my cinnamon and mix until the cinnamon is evenly spread through the eggs. Now I'm going to add in my pumpkin. Make sure to scrape the sides of whatever container your pumpkin is in so that all of it enters the bowl. Now I'm going to add in my sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to mix these ingredients until they're fully combined. My filling looks great, so I'm going to move on to the next step. Now I'm going to fill my pie crust. Just make sure that your crust is cooled off first. To do that, I'm going to guide the filling into the crust using my rubber spatula. As you can see, the filling fills all the way up the sides of the pie pan. Next, I'm going to put my pie into the oven. My oven's preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake it for 15 minutes. Then lower your oven to 350 degrees while leaving your pie in the oven and bake for an additional 30 to 40 minutes until a knife comes out clean about an inch away from the crust. My pie took 45 minutes to bake. When it's done, it should be a little jiggly but still solid. And my pumpkin pie is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!